Hello my dear students, welcome to BMSS YouTube channel. This is Vikas Singh and in today's class we are going to learn about adoption and extended family. First of all, adoption. What about adoption? Adoption. Sometime a couple want to raise a child who is not related to them. Sometime a couple want to raise a child who is not related to them, and the children who adopt is called adopted children. Children who have lost their own parents often live in special homes called orphanages. Students, you have seen some students that have lost their parents. They need to live a special homes. The homes is called orphanages, and the children who live in the special homes are called orphans. Students, parents have to go through legal process called adoption. Parents, to adopt a child, parents have to go through legal process, and this process is called adoption. Parents have to go through legal process called adoption. For example, many celebrities and common people, many celebrities adopt children like actress Susmita Sen, adopted two girl child. So students, just like Susmita Sen, many people adopted children, maybe boy or girl. And what about natural parents? Natural parents. Natural parents, parents who have given birth to us are our natural parents. Parents who have given birth to us are our natural parents. Due to some reasons, this is the called natural parents. So the parents that have given birth to us is called our natural parents, just like our mother and father and your mother and father. Your mother have given to you, so the mother and father are the natural parents. And what about foster care? Foster care. Due to some reasons, a child may come to stay. Due to some reason, a child may come to stay with another family for a short period of time. They are under the foster care. They are under the foster care of the family. Where they are staying. They are not adopted legally by the parents.